Upatoyi akhangathande ukungena khulu emininingwaneni yokuthokoza kwakaGronje kodwa wavuma khona bona kube khona ukurarana ngokomsebenzi ingasi bona kurarana ngendaba eziseqadi.
As I said, it's a tough job, it's a tough environment, and it shouldn't come as a surprise that leaders will come and go. And Advocate Cronje has decided to vacate at this point. And as I said, the EXCO of the NPA and myself have supported this. This is not a sign of any collapse or crisis in the NPA. It's, as I said, it's healthy when leaders take an organization to a certain point and leave, and then leave it for a new leader with a fresh, new energy to pick up from where we are.
NPA ibuye yachuwa ngokunanaba ekushushiseni amacala akhambisana nendaba ezavelako ekomitshinini yamaqiniso nokubuyisana. Yabuye yabuzisiswa ngokubhalelwa ukubamba isikhathi yabekelwa sona ekumhla ka-2 kuNobayeni sokuqeda umsebenzi omalungana necala lokubulala elaziwa ngeCradock 4 lango-1985. Vumile koti NPA ibona ukuriyada okunande kuba khonokho akwamukeleki. Yavuma nokuthi kubangelwa amabanga ahlobana nepolitiki. Yabe yathi iphiko labofokisi ama-Hawks selelikhethe isiqhema sabofokisi abama-40 abazinikeleko nabatshutshisi abama-25 bona basebenze ngamacala wekomitshini yamaqiniso nokubuyisana.